Hey guys, so today I have another video for you all. Today is going to be a tutorial using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I've had this since it first launched and I haven't really used it that much, so I decided to break it up today and do a neutral eye with a half cut crease. I don't really do cut creases that much, so today I just want to do a half cut crease because I know how to do that a little bit better. And I just put glitter in the crease as well, just kind of cut it even more, I think. Today is a snow day, so I didn't have to go into work today, so I had some time to film this. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see how to achieve this look, then keep on watching. So first I'm going in with my MAC paint pot in Painterly and just putting that all over the lid just like I normally do. Then to set my base, I'm using my Cover FX setting powder. And for the eyes, I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm just taking the shade right here. I don't have the little paper with all the names on it, so sorry about that. So basically every time I pick another color, it's just a little bit deeper than the previous one, and I'm going to put that in the crease lower and lower every time, but making sure they're blended all together. The next shade I'm taking right here, I'm putting it in the outer V and then bringing it into the crease a little bit lower just to deepen it up a bit. Then I'm taking my Shape Tape concealer and I'm using that to cut the crease, and it's a little hard to kind of explain, so you can kind of just see right here I'm lightly just kind of carving it out without bringing it too high, just in the natural crease of your eye, and then I'm going to set that later on with the translucent setting powder as well. I am doing a half cut crease, so I'm not going to be bringing that concealer all the way through to the end. So just leave pretty much the outer corner, just with the shadow. Then for the lid, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Birthday Girl and putting that on the lid using Max Fix Plus as well, just because I think that makes those really shimmer shadows look the best. Then going back in the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm just taking that outer corner color that I used just to blend into the crease, not the crease color, the lid color. And then of course I'm taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner and doing a wing liner because I can never do a look without it. And then I'm taking my Urban Decay glitter liner in Space Cowboy and just using that to cut the crease even more. I just like the effect of having the glitter liner in there as well. For primer, I'm going to be taking the Boscia Charcoal Mattifying Primer and just focusing that in my T-zone and then on my chin where I get oily, and then I'm taking my Smashbox Primerizer and putting that everywhere else. This is just a sample, but it's the new NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm mixing light 1 and light 2 just because I'm kind of in between shades. but honestly this foundation is amazing and you guys should definitely test it out. It's really nice, doesn't feel too heavy, and yeah. So first I put light 1 and then I put the darker shade right on top. And then for concealer, I have to use the Holy Grail Shape Tape Concealer, put that under the eyes, and then a little on the forehead and down the bridge of my nose. And then to set the face, I use my Cover FX loose setting powder and just put that all over. Then because my brows got covered with foundation a bit, I'm just going back in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in soft brown. And lately I've just been using the pencil on my eyes rather than the pomade because sometimes a little too high maintenance. Trying to do all that stuff, and in the mornings you just don't have time. Then to set the brows, I'm just using the clear brow gel from Anastasia, and I desperately need a new one. So going back to the eyes, I'm taking the palette again and basically redoing everything that I use in the crease and just replicating that on the bottom. And using the new Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, this is honestly my new Holy Grail mascara, using that on the top and the bottom. Then I'm using my Jeffree Star Manny Collab highlighter in Eclipse, and I haven't used this in a while and I'm seriously loving it again. It's just so pretty. For lips, I'm using the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Lolita. And then to finish the look, I'm using the Kat Von D Lock It setting spray.